When work started on the Jaipur Metro Rail project, there were a lot of apprehensions. Some residents of the city were worried that the beautiful face of Jaipur will now be defaced, the face that preserves the cultural heritage of the city. But ironically, what happened was quite the contrary. When excavations were carried out on this stretch where we stand, this beautiful stepwell was discovered that had remained unseen, buried underground for centuries and generations.
When the surface structure was dismantled at Choti Chopar, an old stepwell was uncovered that had remained buried for over 150 years. Further excavations unveiled another, even older layer and exposed a beautiful kund fed by water, brought by cleverly designed underground channels. The old water tank appears to have been abandoned when piped water supply was introduced. Gaumukhs, wrought in marble, that served as elegant water spouts shaped like cows' heads, were carefully removed and transferred to the Albert Hall Museum.
इस तरह के काम पहले भी हो चुके हैं। नागार्जुन कोंडा में हैदराबाद के पास में एक डैम बना था, वहाँ से सारे मॉन्यूमेंट उखाड़ कर दूसरी जगह ले गए थे, फिर सेट किया गया। उसी बेसिस पर हम लोगों ने किया है कि जैसे जैसे ये मॉन्यूमेंट है, ठीक उसी तरह हम लोगों ने पहले इसके डॉक्यूमेंटेशन किया, फोटोग्राफी ली, ड्राइंग बनवाई है और एक एक पत्थर का नंबर लगाया गया है। इसी बेसिस पर बाद में रिकंस्ट्रक्ट बन गए।
Excavations at the site of the Bari Chopar uncovered yet another Bauli, large stepwell. Historic texts from the early 18th century describe a water tank at this site that was used for ritual bathing and other purposes. It is only after the underground stations are completed that these stepwells will be reinstated. Many countries in the world display objects of archaeological interest found during excavations undertaken for the project in museums built at metro stations. In India, it is for the first time in Jaipur that not only a world-class museum and art gallery are being built at the Choti Chopar metro station, but also the historic stepwells are being re-established at the site to their original shape. Imagine that you are stepping out after completion of the work at Choti and Badi Chopar metro stations. You will be welcomed by the extremely beautiful world-class plaza, showcasing the beautiful stepwells in the middle to their pristine beauty. Both the chopars will be reinstated using historical material. The state government is not only sensitive towards the challenge of preserving the priceless heritage of Jaipur, but it has also committed to giving the residents of Jaipur a wonderful gift. This public place will not only be extremely attractive aesthetically, but also be very beneficial financially. This place will remain alive late into the night. Business will burgeon with increased tourist footfall and customer visits. Every segment of the population will benefit from the clean environment, and the present milieu will enhance the prosperity of urban life.
व्यापार चौतरफा बढ़ेगा। आज जो टूरिस्ट दूर है या ग्राहक जो दूर है वो पहुंचने में असक्षम होता है, ट्रैफिक पार्किंग परेशानी है, वो परेशानी हट जाएगी तो टूरिस्ट अधिक पहुंचेगा, ग्राहक अधिक पहुंचेगा, परचेज सेल दोनों ही बढ़ेगी।
मेट्रो की हम तो ऐसे इंतजार कर रहे हैं जैसे एक किसान बारिश के लिए इंतजार कर रहा होता है कि कब बारिश आए और कब मेरी खेती हो। इसी तरह हम व्यापारी हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ग्राहक आएँ, हमारी प्रॉस्पेरिटी बढ़े।
व्यापार बिजनेस बढ़ेगा। आज ये जो वॉल सिटी के अंदर सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है पार्किंग की, तो पोल्यूशन और पार्किंग की इसमें काफ़ी निजात मिलेगी।
निश्चित तौर से आने वाले समय में आप मान के चलिए कि जयपुर पर्यटक और व्यापार के हिसाब से भारत में अपनी एक जगह बनाने जा रहा है और हम माननीय मुख्यमंत्री से निवेदन करते हैं कि इस मेट्रो का विस्तार और करें, जिससे एक देश के अंदर एक बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि होगी।
People in Jaipur today recognize the urgent need for a modern means of transport. They are aware that history bears witness that whenever development and beautification of the walled city were required, changes were made to cope with emerging needs. In years to come, all can take pride in Mari Metro, and it will become an integral part of the heritage of the Pink City.